All right, change of plans. So I'm gonna work on the lengthwise part, and here I'm going to saw this off, and this is going to be the first bin where the majority of the clay is. Well, actually, I'm gonna fill the clay up to this third one right here, and then put the food scraps up there, and then the chicken wire up there. But I was just like looking at the first way I was trying to do it, and I was like, dude, that's so not gonna work. So switching it up. All right, so I skipped the video, like recording. My bad. I just finished drilling, we're making the pilot holes and putting the screws in. I left out the whole video of me installing the pieces to the, I guess, connector pieces. I'm sure there's a technical term for that, but that's what I'm calling it. So this is free wood. This is my worm bin number 1. I am so stoked. Like, I didn't know if I could pull this off, but this is a new moon ritual to myself, just to show out and do something that I didn't think I can do. So my next part is I'm taking the clay soil in these bags. I'm gonna line the bottom of this with some cardboard and attract some more worms. There's already some worms in these bags, which is amazing. I don't have to buy worms. And I'm going to put some food scraps in it and start my worm bin. Y'all, I'm so damn stoked. Like, I've wanted one of these for hella long, and now I finally have one. So cheers to the new moon. That's it. Almost forgot before I start watering. This is organic gypsum, and it is for those who have clay in the backyard to break down the clay and make it, like, it basically is going to change the structure so that it mimics soil. So I want to show you guys that before I start watering it. All right, before I put the lid on, here is the worm bin. So I did add some paper to kind of like draw them in, some cornmeal, because I hear the OGs say that that's what you're supposed to do. And these are my food scraps. I don't have time to make a lid for it, but I will do that tomorrow. So I'm just gonna cover it lightly so no rodents get to it. So this is it.